Most homeowners think they have to fix everything before they sell their house. They think they gotta fix all the chipped paint or new windows, new flooring, new roof, new kitchen. Sometimes people just think in their mind, no one's gonna wanna buy this property unless I do this work. I'm here to let you know that's simply not true. If you're in Columbus, Ohio, and you have a house that you're looking to sell, you can sell the property in its as-is condition. That means there's no inspections, there's no multiple walkthroughs, there's no people nitpicking your house or anything like that. So let me explain exactly how this works. So when I say as-is, that means you don't have to fix anything, you don't have to clean anything, you don't even have to haul stuff out of there. We buy properties in their as-is condition, meaning exactly how they sit. We don't care if the roof is old. We don't even care if there's foundation issues. We don't even care if the utilities have not been turned on the property in many years. We buy them as they sit, older the better. And yes, we buy them for cash. Quick closing. You don't have to rely on us getting approved for financing or some kind of delay regarding getting a bank loan, because it is a true cash transaction. I was talking to a woman earlier today. She said, Dave, the house just needs way too much work. And I said, that is perfect for us. We're the perfect buyer. It's not a bad situation with the house. You just need the right buyer. We are that buyer if you're looking to sell the property in Columbus, Ohio, and it's as-is condition. So here's the big difference. When you list with a realtor, they're gonna have formal inspections, then they're gonna go through the inspection report with you. They're gonna want credits. They're gonna want you to throw money at this thing, and then they're gonna nitpick you, and they're gonna try to negotiate you down on your price. We don't do that. We actually expect problems and we embrace problems. We've done over 1,000 transactions in Ohio, so believe me when I say we've seen it all. We are real estate investors. We renovate houses every single day. So what might seem like a big deal to you or a big issue for you is pretty routine for us. We see it every day. So let's talk about who an as-is sale is perfect for. If you inherited a house, or if there's potentially code violations, you're getting a letter in the mail, maybe even you're dealing with foreclosure or a probate situation, an inherited property, divorce. Maybe the house has tenants. Maybe the house even has squatters. We'll deal with that. We'll take that off your hands as well. This is exactly what we specialize in, and we keep the process extremely simple. If you want to contact us, you could call 614-300-5151 or fill out a form on our site, sellhousecolumbus.com. The way it works is we'll get on a phone call. We just need general information about the house, about your timeline, about what you're looking to do. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. And if the offer works for you, great. We'll proceed forward like we've done with many, many people. If the offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands, we'll part as friends. There's never any obligation and there's never pressure. All of our offers have no hidden fees, there's no commissions, there's no formal inspections, there's no closing costs. You are in control the entire time, and we communicate very clearly. We take pride in how transparent and how much we communicate. You're gonna know exactly what is happening throughout the entire process. Sometimes timeline comes up. Sometimes you need something done fast. We can make that happen. Sometimes you need more time or a flexible closing. We could accommodate that as well. We've been asked before, does selling my house as is mean I'm getting ripped off here? The answer is absolutely not. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. You are trading having to do the repairs, having to deal with the uncertainty, having to deal with anything with the house. You're trading all that for certainty and for convenience. Good people go through tough situations all the time. Good people end up with houses that they never asked for. We see this quite a bit. So if you have a house, you're interested in learning about your options, or at least understanding what direction you might be able to take this thing, we'd be happy to talk to you. Once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. Thank you for watching. If you have a house that you would like to sell and it's as-is condition, we would be glad to talk to you. We're happy to help.